Welcome back. Another episode of Jim Fights Hot Wheels here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We're going to be walking around. I went ahead and opened up some of these cases. We've got the Super Treasure Hunts here. Some of the good cars. Let's see, we'll leave that open. And we'll scan through some of these. If you see stuff that you like, go ahead and comment below. I'll try to get back with you. The best thing is, come on in, ask for Pops. He'll take you over here to the Hot Wheels room and let you check everything out. We're doing bits and pieces, sections like the Red Line Club, the car culture over there, movie cars, and we're going to make certain videos and put them on here. It's easier for you to come in and check them out as shipping does add up on some of these cars. We can ship them out, but it does add up. Like I said, if you're a car collector, you know what I mean. Let's get started here. These are Super Treasure Hunts. And we'll get a little bit closer on them. That way you can check them out. You can comment below in the description. And I tell you what, a lot of people have been coming in. This channel has definitely led a lot of people to come over to the Hot Wheels store here and check out the collection. Of course, it goes up in price as we go over to the higher dollar case here. Of course, if you want to talk Hot Wheels, you can give us a call at Maple Motors. Just ask for Pops. He's the only one that knows about his Hot Wheels. And that's the guy you're going to have to talk to. If he gets too overwhelming, we're going to have to go back to email. But yeah, this is the Super Treasure Hunt episode. We're also going to do another episode here, probably in the next week or so. The muscle machines. Some pretty sweet rides. These things are really cool. And he's got a lot of them. That was probably one of my favorite back when I was helping him. We used to go to the flea markets, and I did this starting when I was about 9 and helped him set up all the shows. Of course, when COVID hit, we said, man, let's just make a room. See, he's got it all set up where he's got $4 cars. That way, if you come in, you want some of the lower price stuff. He's also got the $3 cars, a whole wall full of them, and the dollar cars for the kids. The next step, I told him we're going to have to make a track that goes all the way around the ceiling. It'll be sweet. The next episode, like I said, I'll be doing muscle machines. He's got quite a bit of them here. And then I'm going to make another episode strictly on the 55 gassers. Huge setup of the gassers there. So be looking for that. And I'll get real close and up close and personal with them. That's a whole nother episode there. Should be pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune into the channel and look at all the other videos we have here. I did that one last time, so you can see that whole wall, the red line. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, don't forget to share. That helps me out quite a bit. I need to get these videos out. See you later.